Welcome once again. Let's take a little analysis of Terra Classic and how much money you could make. Now remember, those that bought Terra Classic as of last 6 or 7 months, if you compare that same number of coins they purchased, if you want to invest say same amount, you might have over 500 or 70% more coins than what they purchased. That is because Terra Classic have really dropped. Okay, now at the time of recording this, someone that I think someone that invested, let's say for example, someone that must have invested $25 on Terra Classic, let's say to purchase 100,000 or 150,000 coins of Terra Classic. Now the value of that coin is about $4 or $5. You see, almost 500 or 600% dropped. Now, at the time of recording this, if you invest $316 on Terra Classic coins, you will have about 5 million coins of Terra Classic LUNC with an investment of $316. Now, imagine Terra Classic destroy 2 zeros because the coin is trading with 4 zeros as of the time of recording this. Sometimes you see it enters 5 zeros, but Luna is trading with 4 zeros, which means we don't need Terra Classic to reach 1 cent, which has been the goal, which has been the target. Let Terra Classic just delete 2 zeros. Let's be trading maybe 0.0012 or whatever, but at least let it delete 2 zeros. And there's a possibility if the coin revive and start doing well, yes, there's a possibility Terra Classic can delete 2 zeros. Now, if Terra Classic delete 2 zeros, it means that your $316 initial investment, which is worth about 5 million coins, will be worth about $32,000. By the time you subtract $32,000 from 300, okay, by the time you subtract $316 from $32,000, you should be having about 686. Yeah, something like that. Over $31,600 profit. Over $31,600 profit. Can you imagine? Can you see the kind of profit this can bring? So, but remember, you must not buy 5 million coins, which simply means you can even go for 1 million. Divide the 316 by 5. Okay, maybe $60 or $65 is what you need to buy 1 million. And if you reach that level, then divide 32,000 by 5. You should be having almost $6,000 plus. That means you're still making huge profit. You can still go for 500,000 coins of Terra Classic, which means you might end up getting about $3,000. Okay, yes, making $3,000 if Terra Classic reaches that point. 250,000, you only need about $12 or $15. So this is one of the reasons why I keep encouraging people to invest, even though it's a little on Terra Classic, but leave it for a very long period of time. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.